What's up? Welcome back to the channel. Eric from Chaves Auto Detailing, and today we got something pretty cool. We got this Ferrari F430 in for a detail. It's from our good buddy Zubair, customer turned friend, and he started bringing this Ferrari around a couple of years ago, or last year. I think it's been a couple of years now. This is his pride and joy, and today it's in for a detail. We're gonna do under the hood, inside, give it a wash. This whole car is PPF and ceramic coated by someone in Toronto, I believe. Inside's pretty clean. A couple of spots on the carpet I gotta take care of. We're gonna use our Sonex leather cleaner for this one. Customer asked for us to use Sonex products, so we're gonna use Sonex products on the inside. So we'll take you on as we detail this Ferrari. Switch things up. Forgot we had an exterior appointment for the Mini. So Andy's doing the interior of the Ferrari instead.
On the Ferrari, I'm using Sonex leather foam. Both in one. Oh, I'm recording. All right, now I'm moving to the next step, which is vacuuming. There's not much to vacuum if you guys take a look. Mainly by the pedals. The passenger seat, you could tell no one sits there. There's really nothing at all. But we're gonna also use the Tornador, get under here. As you can see some stuff. And let's see the back here. Really not too much. You could tell Zubair doesn't really drive this too often. So yeah, vacuum time.
We got the Ferrari all washed. We got it dried. Now we're gonna finish it off with our showroom shine from Bloomco. And then we gotta work on the engine bay. We didn't shampoo like we normally do. There's a lot of sensors and this is an expensive car. I'm not taking a chance with that. We're just gonna dust it and wipe what we can. The owner wants no water under there, so we're not gonna put anything under there. Andy's still continuing the GT3.
Almost done. Got windows left after door jams, and that's it.
Sweet. Gurdeep finished this thing. We have partial PPF on the front. Can't even see it. Good job, Gurdeep.
Thank you.
And then we had 519 tint. Nick, I said that so weird. 519. 519 tint. Come in here and match the front windows to the rear. This one's done. Inside's all done. I didn't put it on camera. I just wiped it, dusted it. Good as new. What do you think, Matt?
I approved this mess.
Now it's time to wash this beauty. But Oscar, if you're watching this,
We're gonna line up.
you gotta fix these, man. This has got to be lined up with that. The point on that needs to be lined up with that. Sergio, you taught me that. Look at this beauty. Oh my goodness. I can't believe we get to work on this. I'm so pumped right now.
Hey, now.
Porsche complete. Take a look at this thing. Straight goals. This is perfection. Can't believe we get to work on stuff like this. Check out the inside. Andy got the inside spruced up. Wasn't really dirty to begin with. But check out these seats. Back is all carbon fiber. I don't think you can see that. Caged. Rear seat delete. 6-speed. I think it's a 6-speed. Yeah. Just freaking perfect. I'm guessing he did something with the fitment because it just looks too good for factory. He's got a different exhaust on there, I'm pretty sure. Every angle just looks so freaking good. Now, what would you take? The Porsche or the Ferrari? What would you take?
If I could have it my way, I have them both.
All right, I like that answer. That's a good answer.
Even the old style seats. Oh, that is so nice. Carbon fiber. Look at these.
Reminds me of a Celica a little bit.
You gotta turn this thing on.
I'll turn it on.
Turn it on. Let Dad hear this thing.
Is this a GT?
GT3.
It comes with a roll cage, right?
Yeah.
Beauty.
Listen to this thing.
5-speed?
6. That's a wrap for this video. Porsche complete, Ferrari done. Now it's time to play the waiting game.
And maybe we get the honor of working on the Scion outside. Let's go, Eric. Let's bring it in. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, give it a thumbs down because we don't really care.
Peace!